What is going on today, traders, investors, crypto enthusiasts? How are you? Hello. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't done it already, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Follow me on Twitter, jump into Discord, and go ahead and follow my Twitch if you want some live streams on these crypto charts, as well as Warzone. Anyways, wow, oh wow. I swear, my neck hurts after yesterday and today. I got some whiplash, I swear. Yesterday I was feeling so bullish. I was like, dang, the markets are looking good. Looks like we're going up. Looks like we're... And then all of a sudden I find out the UK decided, hey, we're going to up our interest rates also because inflation's getting out of hand. Next thing you know, US markets start selling off. UK markets start selling off. People are now worried about supply chain. Jerome Powell was talking about, hey, the job force is great. For all the unemployment people, there's 1.9 jobs, followed by jobs report showing weakness in the job force. As well as tech sector and the NASDAQ selling off because guess what? Online companies that make online sales, all of them are losing money. So we can see distinct signs of not only we are in a recession, but there is a possible depression. Good God. Let me just say, the markets are responding accordingly with giant sell-offs. Not only that, but they have the sell-offs and we're getting long squeezes, which causes the price to go down even harder. Anyways, without further ado, this current video is actually going to be a follow-up for filecoin. I was told in the comments that I need to look at the Coinbase chart. So I'm looking at the Coinbase chart, and I'm going to tell you, it does not look much better. Doesn't look much better. Anyways, we do have more data, so let's jump on into filecoin. Stay tuned. Look at the next video I drop. Next video, we're going to go into Casper as well as Bitcoin. Either way, go to the next video after I upload this, and you see the TA on filecoin. Let's go in. I'm going. Oh man, had to stop myself from that ramble. Anyways, we were looking at filecoin file on the Coinbase chart. Now, I have never done TA on this chart. Therefore, we're going to do a little quick finding support and resistance levels. We just broke support. Rough. There's a pocket here that we could get caught on. That is nice. Please, for the love of Jim, don't let us fall. Because holy guacamole, if we fall, we're seeing $12 so fast. Oh no. Anyways, it would be a nice little pocket sitting down there if we do see more bearishness. I don't even want to consider us going lower just yet. I'm going to just sit back and wait. However, on the daily time frame, we can see negative momentum is building. If we continue this price action throughout the day, we will have a bearish engulfing candle. We honestly had on the MACD technical bullish divergence forming. I was thinking, maybe the sellers are exhausted. Maybe Wall Street ran out of crypto. Yeah, looks like they showed me. We were regarding this wonderful line as support. We were being supported up here by the $1650 mark. And we saw a nice rally off of it. You want to know what Wall Street did? They said, you know what? I don't care what kind of hope you have. We're selling. Warren Buffett said it best. Wall Street now is just making everything look like a casino. It's kind of rough. Where are the investors at? Where are the dollar cost averagers? Where are the ones who are like, you know what? We're going to weather this storm. I don't know. I don't see them. At all. But we can actually draw these weird anchor points. Honestly, I'm going to call them weird. And we're doing this on the daily chart simply because we should. But we are putting in a technical falling wedge. So, technically, this is bullish. This is what we want to see. How far down this thing goes, I'm not sure. We could trade sideways and down, and we could come all the way down here to $10.24. We could fall straight down to the bottom, then rally up, then fall down again. So we could do some bouncing around in here. Something you do have to be careful of. You really do. We do have room to fall on the daily, so that keep that in mind. But you do have to realize we are we're pretty close to bottoming out. If we end up losing this support down here at $9.25, very easily we're seeing the bottom. We're going straight to the bottom. There's no doubt about it. That basically means everybody who bought in, they didn't believe in the project enough. We're going down, and we don't want to see that. We honestly don't, because then you run into this range, which is a really wide range where it could just start bouncing around like a ping pong ball. Not even worth trading. Honestly, it's not. So we got to figure out where the markets are going. Let's jump into the 4-hour time frame, see if we can get a little more information on what is going on here. So you can see we did break resistance, and worst of all, we're using it as, or we broke support using it as resistance. So this is indicative. We are coming down here to 1291 to test it, and we could possibly test this lower level at 1179 again. I have to be bearish considering the world markets are bearish. Kind of sucks, but you know what? Volatility is where we can make some money. That is why we actually like to trade futures. You can make money on the way down. So currently, if you were looking to put in a short position, you would actually have a stop loss up here at 1421. That would be your stop loss. Okay? Never trade on leverage without a stop loss. Alright? Hell, you should never trade period without a stop loss. But that would be where you put your stop loss. Hopefully you get stopped out. Hopefully, because that would be positive for the market. Alright? Shorts get wrecked, prices go up. That's good. It's not a bad thing. That's also why we keep our stop loss nice and close. Minimize your losses. However, with the bearish sentiment, I hate to say it, but your downside potential is 18% to the downside. You're joking, right? Like, what? We don't actually have that much room to fall, which is the weirder part on the 4-hour. So we could just trade sideways out of this for the rest of the day. It's a possibility. We could start seeing a nice little relief rally where we could come up here to $15.05. Could see it, but I'm just not hopeful. This is a very, very tough range to try and trade because you are at areas of value. So putting in a short, very risky. Bearish sentiment in the market makes a long very risky. For those of you who are into the risk, into the crazy risk, it does look like on the 1 hour we're trying to put in a double bottom and setting a higher low. We are oversold completely. So for those of you risk-averse people who actually want to gamble your life away, then you would be looking to first off take profit 15% to the upside at $15.93. Make sure you take your profit. And then if we get lucky, we could be looking at 29% to the upside, getting back up here to $17.83. Now, understand what I just said there. Me personally, I'm not taking out any longs right now. I'm not. When I would feel comfortable taking a long out on this particular asset is when I see not only the 4-hour going to the upside, which noted we're still falling on the stochastic, still falling on the relative strength index. We're just now converging bearish on the MACD. So that all of that is indicating we have lower prices to find. We're going to find lower prices, and that's going to be the hard part. Even worse part, in this middle area, that's like no man's land, so it's all scalp trading. You could see it fall down here, come back up, test as resistance, then come all the way down here to another support level before we can even start contemplating going to the upside and seeing some upside potential. However, for you dollar cost averagers, this is absolutely a fantastic time to dollar cost average, simply because this is a bullish pattern. And you do have a measured move when you can manage to break out. So if you put it out here, your breakout point could possibly be this $11.06, and then your upside target is $25.13. So if you're dollar cost averaging all the way down here, and then you ride this all the way up, you're going to be sitting in a very good position, considering where you're sitting at compared to where it's going over time, but 82% to the upside. So you could be looking at 82% gains after dollar cost averaging. That is another option. That is an option out there. So don't knock the dollar cost averaging people. Anyways, guys, this was my in-depth view of filecoin on the Coinbase chart. Sir, who decided to comment, there you go. That's for you. Anyways, I hope this helps you out. Make sure your stop losses are tight and subscribe. We're trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers, trying to get this channel monetized, trying to get the word out to everybody. You know, share it with a friend. Hit the bell for notifications. Jump into Discord. Follow me on Twitter. Links are in the description below. And without further ado, have a fantastic Cinco de Mayo. Go get a shot on me. Take it easy.